Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all are happy and safe at home. Are you ready to study? Okay. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is places in my neighborhood. Places in my neighborhood. Children, do you know the meaning of neighborhood? A neighborhood is one of the parts of a place where people live. A neighborhood is one of the parts of a place where people live. A neighborhood is one of the parts of a place where people live. In neighborhood, we can see many places. In neighborhood, we can see many places. Good schools like our school, police station, post office, hospital, cinema hall, shopping mall.
Now we can move on to the textbook. Please take the page number 54.
Places in my neighborhood. Places in my neighborhood. Read aloud. Tick the correct option. Read aloud. Tick the correct option. Look at these pictures. Which is the first picture? Two children are wearing school uniforms and carrying their school bags, and a security officer is standing in front of a building. Do you know which building is this? A school or a hospital? Yes, it is a school. It is a school. So, please put a tick mark near the word school. Which is the next picture? Is it a cinema hall or a park? Look here. From this picture, we can see that it has been written cinema here. So, it is a cinema hall. Please put a tick mark here. Look at the third picture. Is it an apartment block or a park? It is a tall building with different houses on different floors. We have already studied the definition of an apartment block in the 7th section of our class. So, it is an apartment block. Please put a tick mark here. Look at the fourth picture. Is it a school or a shopping mall? Here a boy is pushing a basket full of things, and also here it has been written mall. So it is a shopping mall and not a school. So please put a tick mark near the word shopping mall here. Look here. Which is the next picture? Is it a hospital or a police station? A policeman is standing in front of the building, and it has been written here police station. So it is a police station. Please put a tick mark here. It is a police station. Which is the next picture? Is it a post office or a bakery? A postman is carrying a bag and standing in front of the building. And here it has been written post office. So, it is a post office. Please put a tick mark here. Children, look at the next picture. Is it a cinema hall or a hospital?
In front of the building, there is an ambulance. Two people are carrying a boy in a stretcher. From this, we can understand that it is a hospital. Please put a tick mark here. Which is the next picture? Is it a park or an apartment block? In this picture, we can see that two children are playing. One man is walking. One woman is sitting and a boy is sitting. So it is a park. Put a tick mark near the word park. Look at the next picture. Which building is this? Is it a shopping mall or a bakery? In this picture, we can see that a plenty of sweets and cakes. In this picture, we can see plenty of sweets and cakes. We find these items in a bakery. So, it is a bakery. Please put a tick mark here. Which is the next picture? Is it a fire station or a post office? We can see that a fire engine is coming out of the building. So, it is a fire station. Please put a tick mark near the word fire station. Okay. Watch the video 3 or 4 times. Study well and stay safe. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.